If you've been applying for scholarships and getting rejection letters, this video is for you. Rejection letters are signals that are being sent to you that some things are not adding up. Sometimes those things are on the scholarship side, sometimes it's on your profile side, but those signals are being sent to you that there are certain changes that you have to make. So today in this video, we are going to talk about the first signal that is being sent when you are getting rejection letters. And those are the scholarships that you pick. One of the things that I see a lot in the scholarship space is you have a ton of students applying for the most famous scholarships, and because everybody is applying for those scholarships, the chances that you are going to be chosen are extremely low. So you have a huge number of students targeting the very famous scholarships, so just a few people are picked, and then you have this huge number of scholarships that people do not know about. These less famous scholarships, when you apply for those scholarships, you rather increase your chances of getting them because there is less competition in these scholarships. This is scholarship strategy. So if you've been applying and you're not getting the scholarship, the first thing that you should change is stop applying for famous scholarships. Apply for these scholarships that I am going to talk about. The first scholarship is the application for the MEX scholarship at the University of Hokkaido. As you can see, it says for October 2026 is now open. These are the detailed information about the scholarship and transdisciplinary life science course, Division of Life Science, Graduate School of Life Science, Hokkaido University. This is the information about the scholarship, but this university has other programs that you can apply for. You just have to go to the website, do more research about the programs, see if your program is there, and at the same time see if you can apply for MEX scholarship while you're applying for this program. Why am I bringing this particular scholarship to you if you've been getting rejected before? That is because Hokkaido is located in a part of Japan that most people do not like to move to. When you think about students wanting to study in Japan, they are thinking Tokyo, they are thinking Osaka, they are thinking Nagoya, they are thinking Kyoto. Those are the famous locations that all students want to go to. And going back to what I told you all about, where there is more competition, there's a reduction in your chances of getting it. And where there is less competition, there's an increase in your chances of getting it. So if some things in your profile are not clicking, one strategy that you can adopt is go for those scholarships that not many people are applying for, such that it can increase your chances of getting it. And Hokkaido is one of those places that people do not want to go to. And because that is the case, you stand a better chance of being accepted if you apply for this scholarship. Let us look at the next one. This is the Malta Government Undergraduate Scholarship. This is the overview of the scholarship, what you are going to get. You have these general courses, you have prescribed courses, then you have high priority courses. They have like so much money that they are giving. This is amazing. And then eligibility for it, and then how to apply, the steps on how to apply. So this is the Malta Government Scholarship. To be honest with you all, I am not very sure when the deadline of this scholarship is, because I tried to do some research about it, but I could not find it. Let me explain to you all also another reason why I am bringing you all the scholarship. Just as I mentioned with Hokkaido not being the very famous destination that students want to go to, that is the same idea here with Malta. I do not see so many students screaming, I want to go to Malta, I want to go to Malta, right? We have everybody trying to go to the US, trying to go to the UK, trying to go to Canada. Those are the hot areas that everybody is going to. So if you apply for a scholarship to Malta, you stand a better chance of getting it because the competition is low. So if you've been getting rejection letters, change your strategy. Think about the scholarships in destinations like Malta because it gives you a better shot of getting it. Now let us go to the last one, and that is the CQ University in Australia, the Research Training Program Stipend Scholarship. So you have the RTP Stipend Scholarships. They are funded by the Australian government. They provide funding allocated to students assist with their living costs while undertaking their research higher degree. You have the eligibility criteria, you have the selection criteria, you have additional information, you have supporting documentation, you have apply now, and then you have the donor details. And then you have the scholarship is $36,000 per annum. The length is 3 years. The number available is 3 slots. Opening date January 30th, 2025. Closing date December 30th, 2025. And just like with the other locations, why did I bring you this particular scholarship? This is located in one of those regional areas of Australia, which means that the competition of people that are seeking to move to those regional areas is low. And what does that mean? It increases your chances of getting this scholarship. So if you're someone who has been getting rejection letters and you're doubting, what do I do? What do I do? Step one in terms of strategy is applying for scholarships that not many people are applying for. Those hidden scholarships, those scholarships that not many people know about. There are so many other things that are important. Sign up for my course. My course is to help those that have been getting rejected to move into getting acceptance, because yes, picking your scholarships is important, but at the same time, there are so many other things after picking the scholarship. What do you do next? How do you strategize? What is strategy 2, strategy 3, strategy 4? How do you build a profile such that when you apply for scholarships, you increase your chances of getting the scholarship? Sign up for the course. I hope that this was helpful. I am going to see you all in the next one. Bye.